fundamentally time. Time has the basic determination of being always in motion. That's what defines time. That's what describes time. Time is the substance always in motion, in constant motion. So time is always going. There's always a time. I never have enough time. I'm always doing something. I'm never just not doing nothing. Everything is always happening. Something is always moving. Now, this doesn't answer in which way it moves. Or rather, the conclusion must necessarily be made that everything is moving in every possible way, and in every way opposite than every other way that everything else is moving in. And so everything is moving in a different way, always, in all time. And this general bare measure is what we call general gravitation, ultimately. It's the maintainedness of all things, but it's also the content of space-time. See, space-time, when we change the dimension of it, change the degree, and we said this before in earlier discussions. See, my concept of time in memory becomes diluted. Now we know there's a certain measure of 1 month coming exactly 30 days before another month, and we have these characterizations, and a week is exactly 7 days. And we have these mathematical measures to tell exactly in intervals when one phase finishes and one with a greater magnitude begins. And the idea is right, obviously, but that general measure cannot determine, or rather cannot predict, the events that occurred in every moment of time, constituting the length of each interval of measure at a greater or less magnitude than another measure. And so, you can predict better what happens within a week than what happens within a month. You can predict better what happened in a day than what happened in a week. You can predict better what happened in a month than what happened in a year. You can predict better than what happened in 10 years and